Hi my Baldy friends. Today I'm going to have a little walk around Glasgow. I might do a bit different. I might do a narration. Is that what you call it? Narration? I might do that, but I might start talking, you never know. But I'm a bit embarrassed going around Glasgow talking to myself. Well, I'm everywhere, but especially Glasgow. So I'm going to maybe just talk now and again. Get my hand out of the way. I haven't got my tripod on this. It looks like I've got big long arms, look. Anyway, I'm going to do that. I'm going to go up Sauchiehall Street and see where I go from there. Start at Charing Cross and go walk down, show you the mess, and see how I go. And it might be on. I might put this Insta 360 Go Free that I'm using. I might put it on my chest, on my my necklace thing. Attached to that, it'll stay there. Obviously, I'm gonna need a jacket on, so it depends how the jacket gets in the way or not. And it'll be from that, so no one will actually know I'm filming. Hopefully. Right, see you over there. I'm going for a walk along Sauchiehall Street, Glasgow. I'm not going to say much, I'm going to narrate it, maybe. Yes, this is Glasgow. I know it's not raining, but still Glasgow. Come Sauchiehall Street here. Big old building goes over the flyover. I mean, goes over the motorway. There it is. And here's Sauchiehall Street. It's not the start of it. It's the start of it from Charing Cross going into the city. It's one way with a cycle lane. It doesn't seem to be getting used much. There we go. Nobody on it. Vietnamese there. Oops, need to put that down. Here's my camera, look. There it is. That's what I'm using. The shenanigans shut down. Used to be a thriving road, this, so the council messed it up. And Akusa, good Japanese restaurant there. Casino. What's this? Shut down, whatever it is. Was. Looks like it might be the Boots. So we're all shut down. Leave the comments how many places you've seen us shut down on this walk. More shut down. Glasgow's falling apart. Places are shutting. Break out the bike lane just in case a bike appears. Keep walking his bike lane, right? Let's go over here. Mango, this gets quite busy at night. Over there. Africana. That looks new. Big Weatherspoons over there. Got some cocktails. Oh, that looks like where I have my 50th. I know I don't look 50, but where I have my 50th shut down. There we go, life bar. Used to be, I mean, it wasn't long ago, I had my 50th. It was bouncing. Upstairs it was. Went upstairs. Upper floor function room. Life, upper floor function room. Shut down. Oh dear. Firewall, that's where all the students go for their cheap vodka or whatever it is on a Tuesday night. Maybe a Thursday as well. Here's the Glasgow Dental Hospital. You don't want to go in there. You really have to. I just saw a cyclist going down the cycle lane. How about that? More places closed down. Don't know what that was. Oh, hi cafe that's shut down. Hair studio. Don't know. Not sure about that. Campus World Cup live. Well, 21st of June. Obviously that's shut down because it's not the World Cup anymore. Yeah, it's campus. Have a look up there. Big place all shut down. Barber's shut down. O2 shut down. Walkway shut. California shut. Over there, whatever that was, shut. Well, you can eat a World Buffet, that was busy, that's shut. This used to be Jumping Jacks before the soccer beer hall, and that was great in there. And that's shut down. And also next to it was Yates, that was good as well. That's shut down. Oh, what a place. So this is it's a sort of revamped Sauchiehall Street. So improving it apparently. Everything's shut down. Oh, what's this? To let, what did that used to be? Not sure. Oh, I see an improvement over here. Let's just have a look. There we go, Heavenly Desserts. That's opened. Looks like it'll be shutting down soon. I don't know how customers are in it. I said I would do narration here, but I've done is talk. How many have we got up to now? About 10. Land over there. I don't know. Bank of Scotland. Wow, that was a long shot. Crossing over Glasgow Street, Rose Street, Sauchiehall Street intersection. Is that what you call it? Let's see what we've got down here. Still on Sauchiehall Street. This is what we've got. Don't know what they're doing here. No idea. I see there's a sign. Open 7 days a week. With the hairdressers. Right, what's this? Development. Improved public realm. Improved. More green space, etc. Wow. It's like the other improvements up there. It's not going to improve, is it? Another one over to my right. Shut down. You can't see there's barriers. Let's have a look through here. Oh dear. What a mess. Don't know what's going on up there. No, it's shut down. What's that? M&S or something? It's crossover. This place is thriving over here. Primark. The only place that is. Everything else is too expensive. Still more flipping green space. Here's the workers. One's smoking, look. No one's working. Young boy's working, the old guy's watching. Bag out and get out of his mouth. That big shop over there, shop, oh, and that. Smash burger, $10.99 for a burger. There you go. So this shop, that shop, they're all shop. I love Glasgow shop. It's shocking. I didn't realise as much of a shot as this. Yep, still recording. It's a Voy Market place. Won't be going in there. Might go in there another time, but I think there are a few closed places in there as well. Green space.
So everyone just chucks their rubbish here. A little bit of green space, rubbish space. You can't rock the security. I don't know what security is. All the flipping shops are shut down. Right, folks, it's Sauchiehall Street junction. It's not a junction. It's a junction of pedestrian. I'm just going to walk down to John Lewis Cannon Galleries and sort this vlog there. And I'll do another vlog going from there downwards to Princess Square. In the next vlog, let's have a look at British owned stores that are shut down. It's actually funny because if you go abroad, there's British owned stores that are open. In Britain, there's no British owned stores that are shut down. Look at that. Greece Sports Shop. Renfield Street, Sauchiehall Street Junction, Pedestrian Junction. Oh, Jollibees. Oh. Let's see if that must have improved since last time I went. Just opened last time I went. It wasn't very good, but apparently it's improved now. No, last time I went actually it was quite nice. I forgot about about the last time I went. First time I went it wasn't very good. Specsavers, get your ears tested. Don't ask. Boots, don't sell any boots. Curries, don't sell curries. Now we're coming to the end of Western Street, Sauchiehall Street, pedestrian junction. I'll get up to the galleries and I'll stop this one, start again. So as you saw, places, Glasgow's shutting down. I wonder what government's in charge here. I'm not getting into politics, but have a look yourselves. What party? There we go. Let's just get over here. Scotland's First Minister Donald Dewar, 1937 to 2000. What do I even think of Sauchiehall Street now? Anyway, thank you. That's the last. That's it. Tune in to the next one for the next street. Oops.